Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to install Apple Music app in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to install the Apple Music app, first of all open the Chrome browser or any other browser and then search Apple Music. And then scroll down and here you will see a Apple Music app with install icon. So tap on install and then it will take you to the Google Play Store. Now tap on install again to install the Apple Music app. Now when you will tap on install, it will start downloading the Apple Music app, and after downloading just simply log into your Apple ID and then you will be able to use the Apple Music app in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.